Many people work hard every day, but at the end of the month, they still wonder where all their money went. The truth is simple. Wealth is not built by how much you earn alone. It is built by how much you keep, how wisely you use it, and how well you grow it. In Kenya today, money disappears fast. Food prices have gone up. Transport costs are higher. Rent keeps rising. A loaf of bread that used to cost less than 50 shillings a few years ago now costs much more in many places. This means wasting money has become even more expensive. Every careless coin now matters. The first step to building wealth is knowing where your money goes. Many people do not track their spending. They buy tea here, snacks there, take extra boda rides, and spend on mobile apps or subscriptions they hardly use. It may look small, but these little leaks can cost thousands of Kenyan shillings every month. For example, imagine spending 200 shillings every day on things you do not really need. In 1 month, that becomes 6,000 shillings. In 1 year, that becomes 72,000 shillings. That money could start a small business, buy livestock, or grow in savings. To stop wasting money, start by writing down every expense. Use a notebook or your phone. Record everything, even 20 shillings. After 1 month, you will see patterns. You will discover your money habits. This truth can be uncomfortable, but it is powerful. The second step is separating needs from wants. A need is food, shelter, transport to work, and school fees. A want is expensive entertainment, eating out often, impulse shopping, or upgrading your phone every year. Wealthy people know the difference. Poor money habits come when wants are treated like needs. This does not mean you should never enjoy life. It means you should control your spending instead of letting spending control you. One strong method is the 50-30-20 rule. This means 50% of your income goes to needs, 30% goes to wants, and 20% goes to savings or investments. If you earn 50,000 Kenyan shillings, 20% is 10,000 Kenyan shillings. That is money that should be building your future. If 20% feels too high, start with 10%. The important thing is consistency. Another big reason people waste money is debt. Debt can destroy wealth when used badly. Borrowing for luxury items is dangerous. Taking loans to impress people is worse. Many Kenyans are trapped in mobile loan apps, salary advances, and expensive credit. Imagine borrowing 10,000 Kenyan shillings and paying back 13,000 Kenyan shillings after a short time. That extra 3,000 could have gone into your pocket. Debt should only be used carefully, especially if it helps you make more money. For example, borrowing to buy farming tools, stock for a shop, or equipment for business may make sense if it brings profit. Avoid emotional spending. This is spending because you are stressed, bored, or trying to fit in. Social media has made this worse. People see others traveling, buying cars, wearing expensive clothes, and they feel pressure to copy. But remember this: many rich-looking people are actually broke. Real wealth is often quiet. It is in land, investments, savings, and businesses, not in showing off. One of the smartest ways to stop wasting money is automation. When money comes in, move some immediately into savings before you touch it. This is called paying yourself first. For example, if you earn 30,000 Kenyan shillings every month, you can set aside 3,000 Kenyan shillings the same day you get paid. If you wait until the month ends, it may be gone. Experts today still agree on one timeless truth: saving first and investing early is one of the strongest ways to build wealth because of compound growth. This means your money makes money, and that new money also makes money. Think of this: if you save 5,000 Kenyan shillings every month for 10 years, you will have 600,000 Kenyan shillings without counting any growth. If invested wisely, it could become much more. Do not let money sit idle for too long. Inflation eats cash. This means the value of your money drops over time. 100,000 Kenyan shillings today may buy much less in 10 years. This is why building wealth is not just about saving. It is about investing. In Kenya, some simple ways to start investing include money market funds, government treasury bills, treasury bonds, Sacco shares, land, and businesses. Some people also invest in stocks through the Nairobi Securities Exchange. The key is understanding where your money is going. A money market fund can be a good start for beginners because it is easier to access and usually grows better than leaving money in a normal bank account. Land is another popular option in Kenya. Many people who bought land for 200,000 Kenyan shillings 10 years ago now sell it for millions. But land needs patience and good location. Business can also build wealth faster, but it needs knowledge and discipline. A small Maitumba business chicken farming, or water vending business can grow if managed well. Another important secret to wealth is increasing your income. Cutting spending is important, but there is a limit. You can only cut so much, but income can grow without limit. Learn a skill, start a side hustle, sell something, offer a service. In Kenya today, people make money through content creation, online writing, graphic design, farming, and digital marketing. Even an extra 5,000 Kenyan shillings every month can change your future if managed well. Build an emergency fund. Life is unpredictable. Sickness, job loss, or accidents can happen. Without emergency savings, you may be forced into bad debt. A good target is at least 3 to 6 months of your living expenses. If your monthly needs are 20,000 Kenyan shillings, aim for at least 60,000 to 20,000 Kenyan shillings. This fund gives peace of mind and protects your investments. Also, choose your friends wisely. Money habits spread. If your circle loves wasteful spending, it becomes normal. If your circle talks about business, saving, and investments, your thinking changes. Environment matters. Stop chasing fast money. Scams are everywhere. People lose hundreds of thousands of Kenyan shillings in fake investments because they want quick riches. Real wealth takes time. There is no magic. It is built step by step. Spend less than you earn. Save regularly. Span style equals font family. Liberation mono font. Size 10,000 pt. Invest wisely. Grow your income. Avoid bad debt. Span style equals font family. Liberation mono T size 10,000 pt. Stay patient. That is how wealth is built. The difference between a poor future and a rich future often starts with the small choices you make today. The soda you skip. The unnecessary trip you avoid. The impulse buy you refuse. It may feel small now, but over years, these decisions shape your life. Money is like seeds. If you eat all your seeds today, you will have nothing to plant tomorrow. But if you plant some, protect them, and stay patient, one day you will have a harvest. That is the real secret. Stop wasting money. Start planting wealth.